Hi everyone, I'm Danielle Obira and I represent federal employees before the Merit System Protection Board. Because of recent events in the news concerning Andrew McCabe, I have recently received a bunch of emails and calls from federal employees asking if they can really be fired a day before their scheduled retirement. For most federal employees, the answer to that question is, unfortunately, yes. But the termination of a federal employee does not happen overnight, and career federal employees are entitled to certain due process rights. So what does due process mean? It means when an agency brings an adverse action against a career employee, such as a termination or discipline, the agency must do certain things to ensure that the employee is given an opportunity to respond. First, the agency has to give the employee at least 30 days advance written notice stating the specific reasons for the proposed action. So this notice will outline what the agency's evidence is and what the basis for their action is. Second, the employee must be given a reasonable amount of time, but not less than 7 days, to answer the charges orally or in writing. And sometimes the employee can do both. He can have a written response and an oral response. The employee, during this period, they can present affidavits from witnesses who they believe are favorable to them, and they can present other evidence that would support their response. And third, the employee can be represented by an attorney like me. The attorney can help the employee draft the written answer and can also appear with the employee at the oral reply. And finally, the employee is entitled to a written decision and that states the specific reasons for the decision. If the employee is not happy with the outcome once they've gone through this process, they have the right, most employees, federal employees, have the right to file an appeal to the Merit System Protection Board. I suspect we will soon learn that that's just what Andrew McCabe has done. And at that point, a judge with the Merit System Protection Board will determine whether or not the agency's actions were warranted.